In 1811, an earthquake struck the United States, and church bells hundreds of miles away started ringing. On December 16, 1811, a massive earthquake shook the Mississippi River Valley. The ground split open, forests collapsed, entire towns woke in terror. But the strangest effect happened far away. In cities like Boston and Charleston, church bells began ringing on their own. No one was pulling the ropes. The vibrations from the earthquake had traveled through the earth itself, shaking towers and steeples hundreds of miles away. It was so powerful that people thought the end of the world had come. And the earthquakes didn't stop. More massive shocks followed for months. Even today, the New Madrid fault is still there, waiting.